everyone, welcome back with me, Lintang Dwi Wahyuni from English Literature Department of Untak Semarang. On this video, we will learn about how to make requests and asking permission.
First, we're going to discuss about make requests. Have you ever heard that? Or maybe, do you know something about it? Great! Making requests is asking someone to do something for you. To express that, people usually use some gambits. Gambits is a word or phrase which help us to tell what we are trying to say. I will show you some gambits to making question. Do you need example? I will give you then. Can you buy an umbrella for me, please? I wonder if you could turn off the television. Do you think you could pass the mathematics exam? Second, we're going to discuss about ask permission. Asking permission is ask for permission to do something. To express that, people also use some gambits. Then, there are some examples about asking permission. Can I cut the vegetables? Would you mind if I go camping with my friends? Is it alright if I come to your house tonight? Well done! Making requests sounds similar with asking permission, right? Do you know differentiation between them? Making a request, someone else do that for you. Asking for permission, you do that for someone else. For example, that car is dirty. Making request, my pretty sister, I'd be grateful if you could wash the dad's car. Asking permission, may I wash your car, Dad? Go to the cinema. Making request. Liana, would you like to accompany me to go to the cinema next week? Asking for permissions. Farah, can I accompany you to go to the cinema? So guys, that's all about making requests and asking for permissions. Thanks for your attention. Sorry for all my fault. See you later!